Hello student, this is Ganesh Nayak. There are three different ways in which you can make changes to your already registered CFA examination. The first one is that you can do a rescheduling of the exam. Now, what is rescheduling of the exam? It means that you can change the location, you can change the time, and you can change the date of your exam within your current exam window. Okay, for this you have to pay around $250 to the CFA Institute. Okay, for example, if you're going for August 2023 exam and you want to change the location on either a time or a date, then you can do it, but by paying a fees. The second way you can make the change to your exam, already registered exam, is a paid deferral exam. It's a no question paid deferral examination point. Okay, over here the institute is asking you to pay around $399, roughly $400. Okay, and you can defer your exam for within the next 12 months any of these slots. So for example, if I am an August 2023 exam student and I don't want to give the exam in August, I want to defer it, pay $400. Your exam you can schedule till next August 2024, any of the exam window. Okay, also you can use this option 24 hours before your scheduled time. Okay, so for our 18th of August, I was supposed to go for the exam. I can make my mind and I can pay the deferral fees at 24 hours before the actual exam date. And as a registered candidate, you can use this option only once. You cannot use it twice. Please remember that. Apart from these two popular ways of deferring or changing the exam registration part, you can also avail for emergency based deferral. Okay, now when we look at emergency based deferral, the criteria are very strict. The institute makes a very thorough effort to check whether the request is genuine or not. For example, if there is a life-threatening disease to you or any of your immediate family member, or if there is a death of any immediate family member, then you can apply for a deferral, free deferral primarily, but the definition of immediate family member is not very clearly explained by the institute. Okay, you can try, but I have heard a lot of students not been able to get their request accepted. Apart from that, if you are in a country where you have a mandatory military deployment, then also you can apply for a free deferral. Also, if suppose you are a candidate and you are pregnant, then also you can apply for a free deferral pot. Okay, so there are these three ways through which you can make changes to your CFA exam, registered exam. The first one was you can do rescheduling. Second one, it's a paid no question asked deferral, and third one is an emergency deferral. I hope you like this video, and if you like the video, do pass to your friend, subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you very much, guys.